Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is of course the follow-up video. I get the question all the time, where is Windows 10 October 2018 update? When will it be released? How come I can't get it when I update? So to answer a few of these questions, here's the thing. Windows 10 October 2018 update was originally released at the beginning of the month of October, sorry. And well, after a few days of rolling out, due to some data loss from some users, they pulled it out of the updates. So what's happening? What's happening? So they've been testing it with updates, cumulative updates that they've pushed to the operating system. And they send it to the slow ring and to the release preview. About a week after it was re-released with a new set of updates and still being tested in the release preview and slow rings. So the insiders there are getting this and are actually having this to test right now. Some of you have asked, well, I've updated to October 2018. Will I have to reinstall like a new build? No, it's a cumulative update that will be pushed. So at some point, you will have a cumulative update for the October 2018 update. And it will incorporate a lot of fixes that have already been pushed to the insiders testing it right now. So you don't have to worry about a reinstall or anything. You're okay on the October 2018 update. It's not a new build that's going to be pushed out. I can't get it. Why can you? How come you show me these things, but I can't get it? It's not. It's been pulled off. It's not available right now, and it won't be. We don't know when it's going to be available. We are October 25th, and this thing has been gone for 3 weeks now. So will it be? You know, if it continues like that, it's going to be the November 2018 update. But anyways. It's being tested. There's of course a few little things that have been talked about. Microsoft did acknowledge one bug with the zip feature when you uncompress files. Apparently it doesn't ask you if you want to replace some of them, which means some people might technically have data loss if they unzip something in a folder where there's already something else. So I guess they're probably having some fixes for that, and they probably are tweaking and testing and really making sure that once it's re-released, no problems arise. You know, if you take out the data bug and a few little things here and there about drivers that have been fixed, by the way, since then, because there's been updates for the drivers for the Intel audio driver specifically that was really a problem. Most of the people that rolled to October 2018 update are okay. I mean, I look at all the messages and I look at all the posts of people that have mentioned going to the October 2018 update. I have very little messages of people having problems. That said, doesn't mean there's no problems. You know, there's always a subset of users that do have issues. So I don't know. We'll see as time goes by, but right now we don't know where it's going to be. We don't know when it's going to be released. As soon as it is, of course, there will be an announcement here on this channel. So keep, looking here. Keep watching our videos. At some point, you might have a video that pops up and says, "Hey, it's there." For now, we're at the April 2018 update. You guys on the April 2018 update, I talked about it, are having a cumulative update. So yeah, that's where we're at, and that's what's happening right now. So let's. Just enjoy your April 2018 update for now. Don't worry about the fact, I've been posting a lot of the videos for the October 2018 update because anyways, they'll be there. So when people get it, they'll be able to watch whatever features they want to kind of know about. But right now, this is where we're at. April 2018 update is still the version that you download when you try to update. If you go to get the media creation tool, of course, you're getting to this April 2018 update. So right now, there's really nothing much more that I can talk about. And basically, this is what's happening in the different builds for Windows 10 and in the October 2018 update. Sorry, I got a little, kind of a little distracted here. My cat just had made a weird noise, and I think he actually coughed up an air ball or something. So sorry about that. So anyways, still waiting. If you're wondering where it is and what's happening, and don't believe those that say oh, they decided to jump over and go to the 19H1 directly. That's not true at all. This will be, I guess, we're just a few days to a couple of weeks to the update here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.